Once an accident has occurred, time is of the essence. The time required to transport an injured person to the nearest treatment facility becomes extremely important. But time is not the only important element in this process. The method of transfer from the accident location to an ambulance or from the ambulance to the hospital must be given equal importance, especially in regard to not causing further serious injury to the patient. Slidemat has been specifically designed to address this all-important transfer process, not only helping to expedite transportation, but also helping to ensure that no additional injury occurs during transport. Developed for all hospital departments and nursing homes, the Slidemat patient transfer aid utilizes an endless conveyor principle, eliminating the need for lifting or log rolling an injured patient during transfer, repositioning or bed change. Fabricated with a polyester core, Slidemat provides a comfortable insulating layer between the patient and cold surfaces such as radiological tables, operating tables and transport stretcher mattresses. Even the most difficult patient transfer situations are easily accomplished utilizing Slidemat, with a slick inner surface forming a unique roller that will carry across uneven surfaces as well as the small gaps between beds, transport stretchers and tables during the transfer process. Slidemat is also radio translucent, making it compatible with all imaging techniques. Compact and lightweight, at only 2 pounds, Slidemat can be easily transported and adapted to any accident location. Just tuck one side of the Slidemat under the patient's heaviest points, putting both feet onto the mat. While holding the patient's shoulder and upper thigh, transfer the patient onto the Slidemat, pushing upward and forward. When the transfer is complete, the mat may be removed by pulling at a 90-degree angle away from the patient. The Slidemat can also be utilized with a draw sheet, drawing the patient towards you while slightly pulling the upper portion of the draw sheet. The Slidemat can now be removed or left in place if another transfer is anticipated. Using the Slidemat can also help reduce the number of employee back injuries associated with traditional patient transfer methods. Professional healthcare managers are well aware of the cost in lost time related to these staff back injuries. Claims involving back strain can cost approximately $25,000, while more serious cases requiring surgery can escalate to as much as $85,000. Based on these averages, the approximately 67,000 back injuries among healthcare workers could total $1.7 billion in workers' compensation. Slidemat is an economical, easy to use and safe solution, priced far below mechanical transfer units. Time is indeed of the essence. Investigate the Slidemat multi-purpose patient transfer device today. It will be time well spent.